Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can change themes in your Visual Studio Code. So if you want to change your themes in Visual Studio Code, then keep watching this video. So let's start. So if you want to change your theme in your VS Code, then you have to follow steps with me. So let's start. Now I'm going to change my themes. So now I'm going to click on manage. Then I'm going to click on settings. So now here you can see search setting has been found. If you want to came here in a search setting, then there is also a second method, which is you can click on file, you can click on preferences, and then you can click on settings. And then now if you want to change your theme in your VS Code, then in a search setting, now you have to type themes. Now I'm going to type theme. Now here you can see that color theme has been came, and now you can see I have a default dark theme. Now I'm going to change it. So now I'm going to change it to quite light. Click on it. So now you can see my theme has been changed, and now I'm going to change another one, and this one. Now you can see my themes has been changed, and now there is I think more than 10 themes here. So what you want to change, you can change here from you can change from here. So but personally I don't like this type of light theme, so that's I'm going to back to switch my on default dark themes because I personally like it. So now here you can see that how you can change your theme in your VS Code. So I hope my video is helpful for you friends, and if you like that, then here's a thumbs up. And I have more video like this, how to change, how to add this run button, and how to save files. If you want to check this out, then you have to check my playlist, so you can easily do it. So I hope my video is helpful for you friends, and I will see you next one.